Stop Gemini from stretching your photos. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show how you can stop Gemini from stretching your photos. Let's dive in. First, upload your main product image. Then, write your normal prompt describing the scene. For example, a girl ready for her photo shot. You might say shot in a 16 by 9 landscape format. But if you generate the image now, you'll notice something. The result usually comes out with the wrong aspect ratio. This happens because Nano Banana doesn't let you directly select image dimensions. So here's the trick that works consistently. Instead of relying on the prompt alone, you upload a transparent reference image with the exact aspect ratio you want. For example, if you want a 16 by 9 landscape image, upload a transparent 16 by 9 PNG canvas along with your main image. So now you will upload two images. First, the main image. Second, the transparent 16 by 9 PNG reference. Then write your normal prompt describing the scene. At the end of your prompt, add this important instruction. Use the second picture as the reference for the final aspect ratio and fill the area that wasn't shown in the original picture. That final sentence is the key. Now, when you generate the image, Gemini uses the second transparent image as the canvas. Instead of cropping your picture, it expands the scene and fills the frame properly. And just like that, you'll get a true 16 by 9 landscape image. You can use the same trick for other formats too. For example, if you upload a 9 by 16 transparent canvas, Gemini will generate a proper portrait image that's perfect for stories or reels. And that's the simple trick to fix the Nano Banana aspect ratio problem in Gemini. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.